black pole right here. We on this black pole, regular hip sinking shit, locked out, right? I'm gonna say hit. Oh, nah, you just gonna go. You just gonna go. 1, reset, 2. On the third one, you're gonna snap down, hold, and then get out like it's a dig. So I was planting my right foot first. So since I was planting my right foot first, I went the wrong way, I'll say that. Planting my right foot first, push off that left, go that way. Whatever you plant first, go opposite. 2-step basic break. Feel me? I'll rep it, demo it. Do the damn Michael. Do the damn Michael. Just like that. Sink high, sink lower though. Exaggerate it. Now hold. Get out. What?
You gonna condition this?
He said what?
No.
You just gonna leave it like that?
You talking about?
The ball. You're not gonna bring it back.
Of course I'm not gonna bring it
Edit
back.
that out. Edit that out.
She don't want to strip no more. Don't want to work that pole. Put that shit on. Put that. Damn. Oh, we got a match, bro. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ain't nothing wrong with matching. Ah. Oh yeah. What? My shit was sunk. Oh. 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 Oh, nope. I was on my heels. Oh. Ah. Chill. What'd you just say? Right after this. Excuse me? You starting with your right foot. Who's doing it? Stay low so you don't gotta get low. There we go. Yeah. Huh. Try to stay on that line. Stay on that line, come out of it. I don't think you really putting power into the ground with that second step. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, like DC Young Fly.
Oh, fix your hands when you're catching the ball. Wider. Y'all have them on the same side like this. There we go. That's better. All right. I gotta go one more. How many times you want, Eli? Oh, 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 oh. Damn, that scar really peeling. Straighten your arm. Decelerate. That last one was the best one. You gotta decelerate, yeah. You gotta decelerate. Put the 3 in the ground before you think about turning. Ooh, 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 ooh. Huh. Huh. There we go.
Don't be stingy.
It's more important to be coaching right now. Yo, let's get it. We're doing something similar to what we did with the whips, right? But this time, outside foot gonna be up. We just right here with it. Ooh, ooh. Coming out that bitch. Yeah, like delay, basic dig. That's what we working today. Yep, we good. Stay flat. You caught it 3 yards above the cone. Move this quick. Ah, get in. Quick as you possibly can. Put these 2 feet in the ground. Ha! Oh, damn. Bricks for hands.
I thought Leem was perfect.
It's the gloves. Haven't been worn in years. I understand it now. Ooh. There we go. Good job with the footwork. Good job with the footwork. Ah. You hopped into it, though. Put that foot in the ground. You just hopped into it. You're running. You're running. Running. You running. Just, Put them two in the ground. There we go. There we go.
I didn't see that.
There we go. Oh my lordy lord. Hold on. Hold on. Because that shit was crazy. Ooh. There we go. That was your best rep with the feet. That was your best rep with the feet. Now we got outside leg up. Same thing going the other way. Just going. Ooh, ah, come straight down this line. Light work, no reaction. Ooh, ah. Oh, she said, baby, take your time. What's the run? He wrote snooze by Scissor.
Yeah, I know.
That's crazy.
When I found
He's
out,
him.
he's like that.
You're him, Birdie. Ooh. Ah, run. That was early. Let him run. Let us run real quick. Good catch. Oh! There we go. Stay flat. Stay flat. Ooh. I'm glad I didn't jump because I was dead about to. You got stuck. You had good footwork, but you got stuck. There we go. Catch it. There we go, Eli. That was a good rep. Oh, yeah.
Nah, Coach, you need a sensu bean.
On God.
That's what you need.
I wish I had a sensu bean. Sensu bean. Ew. Hey. Somebody. So boom, bringing it down again. We line up on this line, staying in our straight line. We'll make some sort of move. You don't have to. You can run it straight up, but if you run it straight up, 3-step break. You get your double move, skip. Now we up at the top. 1, 2, come across. But if we running this straight up, 3-step, get out that. 2-step. I want a little bit better of the break though. Ooh. 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 We working both. There we go, clean. Ooh. 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 Here we go, Eli. Here we go. Good shit, Eli. Ooh, ooh. Oh, shit.
I missed Jay Sean.
Here we go. Here we go. Catch it clean, though. Push. Hey. There we go. There we go. Get out. Good job. Ooh. 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 Oh. Let's get it. Let's get it. There we go. Clean. Ah!
Oh, no, touch that. No, touch that.
You got to grab that one. Yeah. You got to grab that one. Run! I f with it. I f with it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. Run. Oh, yeah. Hey! Oh, my lordy lord. Ooh. Oh, ooh. Oh, my God. That was a catch. Hey! Hey. Oh, yeah. Hold up. This shit smacking me in the face. Pause. All right. Oh. 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 Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Ew. That was that. Yeah. You was good. There we go. There it is. Oh. Oh. Run. Sit him. There we go. Fire. Slip him. Oh, yeah. Ha. Hey. Oh. Oh. Slip him. Run. There we go. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. 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 Ah. Oh, yeah. Run. Good job, Eli. I'm trying to really. Okay. I understand it now. I understand it now. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Yo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that was a great rep, Nate. Oh, yeah. Huh. There we go.
Cutting off the wrong foot.
Nah, he did 3.
Oh, all right. He meant to do 3.
There we go.
He meant to do 2.
Ooh, ooh. Oh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Run it. Sit him. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh.
If you feel like you look
You
bad.
seeing pictures? Oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. There we go. Too slow. Man, I'm tired. And my back hurt. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah. Ooh, ooh. Ah. They fiending, bro. Oh, yo. Hey.
You like a bot running that shit.
Yeah. Yo, he said don't throw him upfield. He threw him upfield. Slip, creep, slip. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, Mike came out.
I'm mic'd up now, chat.
Yo, he just tried to clip the mic to his hair.
Ooh, this is my stream now. Ha ha ha. My stream now.
Doing it again or no? Oh, hey. Hi, guys. How's life?
It's my
Wait,
girlfriend. That was a low one.